Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can finger knit your favorite rope. This is a great method that you can use to make keychains, bracelets, or just any other thing where you need a long chain of a fun knot. Let's get started. To begin, you're just going to want to take your favorite rope, and we're only going to need one rope for this, which is what makes it so nice. And we're going to start wrapping it around two of our fingers in a figure 8 shape. And you're only going to do it so that you have two ropes on each finger like this. And now what I do is I take the bottom rope on each finger and I'm going to send it over the top rope and off my finger. So I just grab it and send it over and off, over and off. And then I'm going to take this string here on the left and give it a nice pull to tighten. And now I do the figure 8 shape again. And I'm just repeating the steps. So I take the bottom row and go over and off my finger. Take the next one and go over and off my finger. Take that string on the left and give it a nice tight pull. And then I just make my figure 8 again. Bottom string goes over and off my finger. Pull the left string to tighten everything. And repeat. So this is all there is to it. It's just these simple steps. Figure 8. Bottom over top and off my finger. Bottom over top and off my finger. And pull it tight. So I'm just going to do this a few more times and try to go slow so you can follow along, and then we'll see what the final result looks like. And this is what it starts to look like. It is a very beautiful pattern. You can see it's all linked together like if you were knitting. And to finish this off, we're just going to take the two loops on our finger and carefully slide them off. And we're going to send that working end, so the rope that had been on the right the whole time, and send it right through both the loops. And just kind of pull and adjust, and it will hold everything in place. Just like that. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.